How to fix DVLA account update not saving. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is ensure that all mandatory fields, your postcode, vehicle registration, driver's license number are all filled out very correctly. So what you can actually do is simply recheck it. Sometimes when the credentials are wrong due to some typos or something like that, there will be issues like this. So simply double check and make sure or basically like be 100% sure that you are filling out all of the things correctly. Then after doing that, if it's not working, then try to clear all of your browser cookies or cache, or if you're using any sort of VPN services that may block the script exhaustion, then simply turn that off. You can scroll down through your control panel, long press on here. If you see VPN getting turned on, make sure to tap on it and turn that off. And also, another thing that you need to do is avoid leaving the page ideal. That could be session timeout after 15 minutes of inactivity. And lastly, try using a desktop computer instead of your mobile device, or you can complete the update during the standard UK business hours when the service maintenance is inactive, and I'm pretty sure that will help you fix that issue out.